Okay, this is writing equations of parabolas, the conic parabola, example 1. So first, let me talk about these notes. We need two of three things. We need the focus, that gives us the p-value, the vertex, the h and the k, and the directrix also can give us the p-value. So any two of these three, we can write these equations. All right, so example 1. All right, so what we're going to do is basically have a parabola on a graph, and we're going to use the information that's there to help us write this out. So first thing, we have a parabola that opens up, so go ahead and make that up. Okay, then it gives us a vertex, there, and a focus. Okay, the vertex coordinates is 0, 5. That's going to be our h and k for later. Okay, and our focus is 0, 7. Okay. The axis of symmetry goes through the parabola. All right, and that axis of symmetry, since it's a vertical line, is x equals 0. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is figure out our p-value. Okay. So the p-value is the distance from the vertex to the focus. And this focus is 2 units from the vertex. So I'm going to put a 2, and since it opens up, it's a positive 2. We can use that p-value and substitute the 2 into p over here, and 4 times p will give us 8. All right, so using the p-value, we can find our directrix and just go down 2 units. As the directrix is opposite the direction of the focus, the parabola also opens away from it. And we got to remember that this directrix, I'm label it a D, is a line. Okay, so there it is. And since it's a horizontal line, it's y equals, and in this case, it's y equals 3. All right. So what helps is to label h and k. So h equals 0. K equals 5, and I'm going to substitute those numbers into our conic parabola. For this particular one, we're going to use this formula. Okay, this is the conic formula we're going to use for parabolas that open up and down. Okay, so now I'm just going to substitute h, k, and p. All right, so we have x minus 0 squared equals 4 times 2, and then y minus 5. Okay, notice how when I put the 5 in for k, it changes to a negative 5 because of the negative in the formula. All right, so let's clean this up. We don't have minus 0, we don't need to write that, so we're going to have x squared. And x squared is going to equal 4 times 2 is 8. And we're going to have y minus 5. Okay, and this will be our conic equation.